Sure.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
We are fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Okay, I will play a video for you, and I want you to pay close attention to every detail from it. Okay. Did you all see what was happening from the video?
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to discuss in pairs what you think was the most important detail from the video. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, time is up, guys. Time is up. Okay, now I want you to give me the answers you have discussed with your partners. Sir, can you please give us the answer?
Okay, now I noticed that trees were being cut down. And also the papers on the floor.
Okay, that's good. Ma'am, can you please share your answers with us?
Sir, I also noticed that the trees were cut down, and I noticed that there were people.
That's good. Ma'am, can you please give us the answer?
Sir, trees were cut down.
That's right. Sir, now it's your time.
Sir, I noticed that the trees were green, first of all.
That's good.
And the second thing is that within the trees, in fact, within the forest, there were no weeds.
That's good.
And then the third thing I noticed is that there were trees lying down.
Yeah, that's good. That's correct.
So guys, as you heard from Mr. Mtamba, okay, you noticed that trees were being cut down. Eh? So what was the main reason for the trees to be cut down? You can discuss in place for 1 minute. Okay, time is up. So what do you think? Since we discussed in place, so I'll take one answer per pair. So what was the reason behind?
Yeah, I think those trees were cut down for timbers, which will then may be used for furniture.
Okay. Then you say.
Sir, I think the trees were cut down because people were tired of having trees around them, and they wanted to cut them down so that they can have space.
Okay, so have we ever seen someone cutting down the trees? Or
Yes, sir, I have seen.
okay, so okay.
Okay, so let us hear with me, I have the handout. Can I have the volunteer? Thank you. So, our lesson today will be on deforestation. As you have seen the videos, demonstrated by Say. So, what I want us to focus on are why do we cut trees and what are the consequences or the results of cutting down the trees. Okay? So, can anyone try to explain what is the meaning of deforestation based on the videos that you saw? Yes.
I think deforestation is when people are cutting down trees.
Anyone have a different idea?
Yeah, I think it's a process where trees are being cut down. Can be through nature or by human like by human.
Okay, those are brilliant answers. Anyone else? Okay, moving on, yeah, those are good answers. Deforestation is the removal of trees. Okay, yeah, deforestation is the removal of trees. People remove trees for their own benefits, and sometimes they remove trees because they want to build maybe malls and stuff like that. So, who can tell me what are the resources or why do we remove trees? Yeah.
I think okay. I think we remove trees so that we can use them for fire or maybe for making the furnitures or even these papers. It's made out of wood.
Okay. Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I think we remove trees because we want to build houses. For example, where I come from in farms, people build houses with trees, like with trees, yes. So they mix those trees with I forgot this, with mud and etc.
Okay. Yeah, we remove trees to make up space so that we can build molds. We also remove trees to use the woods for fire. There are many things that we can do with the trees. So, what are the negative impacts of removing trees? Yeah.
I think it will result in soil erosion because I think trees are able to hold the soil, actually the topsoil together. Then if there are no more trees, I think it will lead to soil erosion and floods.
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay.
What is soil erosion?
Soil erosion is the removal of the topsoil. Yeah,
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
yeah, the removal of the topsoil. It can be
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, I was told that trees protect us from wind and storms.
Yeah.
So I think the removal of trees would mean or would lessen our chances of being protected from storms, leading to damages when it's time for storms, something like that.
Yeah, okay. And also for oxygen, guys, I need to know that we use trees for oxygen as well. Yeah.
You don't?
You don't know?
No. Trees for oxygen. Ah, ma'am.
Yeah, we use trees. Since we inhale oxygen, trees give us that oxygen and then or the trees take up carbon dioxide. Thank you.
As we've learned that, quiet in class. Okay, so as we've learned about the effects of deforestation to the soil, and Now we're gonna be learning about the effects of rain around the areas that deforestation takes place. What do you think are the effects? What do you think rain does to the area where deforestation takes place? Okay guys, let's say now we cut down a tree, right? And then it rains heavy. What do you think is gonna happen to that certain place where there are no trees? Okay.
Ma'am, I think that place will be muddy.
Okay. That's good.
I think floods will take place in that place
How so?
because there are no trees. So, yes, ma'am. Because there are no trees.
Should I?
Yes, sorry about that, yes.
I think it may lead to animals will drown because of water, as those trees which were being cut down won't be able to absorb the water. So I think animals will drown will drown.
Okay.
Then I wanted to add on this answer.
Mm.
Yeah, I think there will be flood because I was told that trees protect us from storms, and a storm can be in a form of rain. So I think that removing trees will lead to more flood.
Okay, so let's say now the flood was to take place where you stay, right? What would you do if you were in that situation?
I will run
Run to where?
when there's no flood.
What if like the whole place, the nearby surroundings?
Ma'am, I will dig a big hole so that all the water can go down the hole.
Will you have enough time for that?
No, ma'am, I will plan for that time because there won't be any trees, so I will try to dig.
Okay, understandable, yes.
I would hide, man.
Where are you gonna hide?
Nearby the reef.
Where nearby the reef?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Okay,
Yeah, ma'am, I will climb anything that is tall.
that's also good. And you, ma'am?
And then now I'll try to come up with solutions like staying on top of the roof.
Okay.
Ma'am, what can I use a dish as a boat?
It's a boat. Oh, I never thought of that, but I think that can actually work. Like, yeah.
But ma'am, what about the others? If he goes on a boat alone, what about his family, his friends, and more?
Yeah, ma'am, I think they will also have to do the same thing with me.
Yeah.
No, I'm not in the same dish.
They say your safety comes first, ne? So you must always remember whenever you are in these situations, you must put yourself first. So, do you
Ma'am.
guys, yes?
How can I put myself first while I have a family?
You're just a grade 6 learner.
Because I was taught a man protects his family.
What's your name?
My name is Leander, ma'am.
You're not a man, but a boy. Which means your family have to protect you. You don't have to protect them.
But if they don't protect me, I am the only one who have that idea of making a boat and those ideas.
You can tell them about your ideas, but it doesn't mean you have to create those things for them.
Will we have that time, man, when the floods are here already?
Right? Okay, we'll come back to that.
Ma'am, we usually see on TV if there will be heavy rain or floods. So I will think my parents are adult enough to make their own boat.
Yeah.
And I also think that it would be better if we move from that particular place which deforestation took place and go to areas where there are trees.
But I think we all know that there's no place whereby deforestation doesn't take place. In order to build houses, deforestation has to take place. I know we have to create space for the houses that we're gonna build. So, do you all understand?
Yes.
Do you have a question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you said we have to cut down trees to build houses, and we're told that trees protect us from flood. So, in terms of flood, I think I would stay in the house.
I think that's also a good thing, especially if your house is stable. You can just stay inside and never go out up until the storm or the flood is over. Do you all understand?
Yes.
I'm okay. Is there anyone of you who has questions? Is there anything that you don't understand?
Ma'am, I think we have to prevent those people who cut down trees, because also our grandfathers and grandmothers or forefathers' graves are here, so they can get flooded if they cut down trees.
Where are people gonna live if you stop them? What are you gonna use as books? Cause okay.
For books, ma'am, I think we can recycle these materials, ma'am, and make other papers.
So you mean if okay, this is it. You mean they can actually erase all of this and create a new page with the written things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess you guys are smarter than me.
Then Rihanna said that we can stop people from cutting down trees. And you said, how are we going to stop them? I think we can plant our own trees. For example, we can plant.
We need to protest, ma'am.
We can plant mango trees.
We need to
right in
strike.
our homes.
You can what?
Plant mango trees.
Okay, for what?
And you said, oh, we can plant those trees to prevent or stop deforestation.
So what?
Then if I plant 3 mango trees, yeah, I think they will be enough to protect me from storms and floods.
That's not bad, I guess.
Ma'am, we need to strike.
Strike
We
for what?
must strike to stop those who are coming to cut down our trees.
Okay, they don't really come to cut down your trees, but they cut trees for space or for things that are in need in life. Do you understand? So what you can do is to make sure that in each and every household there's maybe 2 trees nyana or something. Okay guys, are we all on the same page?
Yes.
Okay, that will be all from me. Ciao.